Well guys, another short video from Haulover Inlet. I hope you liked it. I think I was able to capture 2 great shots. I think that the Apache 47 was awesome. Yeah, a little bit short, but it was really nice. Also the Astondoa 65 top deck was a nice capture with the drone. So listen, I've been having some trouble with the views recently on YouTube. YouTube is not promoting my channel, so it's really important for me that you leave a comment below. That helps the channel and helps YouTube promote the channel. So for now, this is all, and I want to thank everybody, and I'll see you on my next video.